Hi, my name's Sharon and I am the Internal Quality Assurer for Ampikas Aesthetics. Today we are going to be looking at the criteria that needs to be covered for your Level 4 Diploma in Aesthetic Practices. Within this qualification, you have 7 units that need to cover. And today we're going to look at each different unit and what we need to cover. Within each unit, there will be practical evidence that you will come into centre and complete. And there is also theoretical work that you will cover at home. First unit we're going to look at is the Health and Safety unit. Health and Safety unit has 3 separate sections within this unit for theory work. Your first set is going to be what we call SAQs, which stands for short answer questions. These short answer questions give you a minimum word count and a maximum word count that you can cover and cover the health and safety criteria. Within this health and safety unit, you will also have 2 assignments to do. One assignment is a health and safety workbook and the other assignment is a risk assessment. The next unit we're going to look at is client care. And within the client care section, you have 1 assignment to do, which covers aftercare brochures, pre-treatment brochures and information on the treatments that you're doing, which is superficial microneedling and superficial chemical peels. There is also a set of SAQs within this that you need to complete. The next 3 units we are going to look at are all covered by your anatomy and physiology unit. Within these 3 units, you will have 3 separate exams that can be done online or within centre. If the exams are done online, we do have a strict criteria that we need to follow, as these are regulated qualification exams. Within this as well, you also have a set of SAQs which will cover all 3 units. We're then going to go to our microneedling unit. Within this unit, we have our normal set of SAQs, but we also have our practical observations. Practical observations are taken within centre under the overlook of an assessor. I will also come in one day as well and watch all the practicals. You also need to cover 6 case studies at home. These case studies have a generic evidence form that you need to complete and also a reflective form which needs to go to each one of your case studies. You will also need photographic evidence and these will be uploaded. Our final one is our chemical peel, which is very similar to your microneedling. You have practical observations which need to be taken in centre, and you will also need 6 case studies completed at home with the same generic forms and the reflective forms that you use for your microneedling. There is also a final set of SAQs that needs to be covered. Hopefully this has given you a little bit of an information on what's needed for your qualification. I wish you good luck, and hopefully all the information that is on the portal, the videos and the resources are all helpful for your theory work. Remember, you can always access the assessor if you have any questions, and you can always set up Zooms or telephone calls for guidance.